Good day everyone, I am Princess Mabini Arpilia from BPED 2A and we're going to talk about John Piaget's theory of cognitive development. John Piaget is a famous Swiss psychologist and developed the first major theory of cognitive development, who devises a domain general account and who believed that learning was experience-based. John Piaget's theory of cognitive development. But what is cognitive development? Cognitive development is how we acquire, to learn, to think, to communicate, and to remember. There are four stages that he believed children pass through in order universally, regardless of where you're from. The first stages is sensory motor stages, at a stage lasting from 0 to 2 years of age, in which the world is experienced through senses and actions, coordinations of senses with motor responses, sensory curiosity about the world. Another stages is pre-operational stages, where at stage lasting from 2 to 6 years of age, in which children use words and images to represent things, symbolic thinking, language use, egocentric thinking. Another stages is concrete operational stage, at stage lasting from 7 to 11 of age, in which children understand concrete events and analogies logically, but lack abstract logic and moral reasoning abilities. Logic applied has objective and rationally interpretation. And lastly, the formal operational stage, at this stage that emerged in adolescence at approximately 12 years of age, which children can think abstractly and reason hypothetically. They can reason about hypothetical situations, they can think about moral dilemmas, and they can reason about them as an adulthood. There are limitations about Piaget's theory, that development is more continuous than Piaget believed. His test had high demands, and his theory was based off his observations of his only three children. And this lesson, I realized that according to John Piaget theory of cognitive development, children go through 4 stages of mental development. His theory is concerned with not only how children acquire knowledge, but also with the nature of intelligence.